Alright guys, 4.67 here, and today we are disassembling a 4R70 transmission. Now, here for some of you who haven't shown, here's my torque converter. This is what happens when you stack the torque converter. Now see these grooves? It's supposed to slide all the way back, and the torque converter dug the grooves. See how it just half-ass sits onto the thing now? Yeah. They cleaned it up real well because it had shavings all the way up on it. Now, for now, I'm just going to move this pump out of the way because this pump is being replaced. I have all my bolts from my old pump. So that is going to sit over here. My phone is going to go on the charger. There it goes. And again, we're going to move transmission parts, torque converter, go back on the floor. So, you know, we don't need that right now. Just going to go ahead and take this rag and cover it over the thing. It's sitting underneath the car now. We're going to go make sure I keep these studs. And here's my gasket. And now we are going to go ahead and start disassembling the transmission, since now all my pans are clear. Move the socket, the towels. Alright, so just so y'all can see what I'm doing, got this light here. Alright, so here's a 4R70W transmission. Now I'm going to pull it out and set it down like so. I'm going to examine each piece afterwards, and I'm going to set them down just like that. Let's see if I pull it in here. Pull it all out. Work it out. I'm going to pull some of it out. See, my clutches were probably good still. Okay, pull them out like that. Go there. And a steely. This is gear number 1, I assume, or this may be overdrive. Take one of my seal pullers and just go and see if I can get up underneath the disc and try to get it to pull towards me, just like that. Okay. You know, that comes out like this. Rock it back and forth there. So I basically get a view like that. Hopefully the rock. That's what I pulled up on the shaft. Alright. Now that is right there. Now we're going to try to get this out. Okay. Now that comes out, so we're going to try the same thing with the seal puller again. There we go. This will probably be, this is anterior plate number 4. As you can see here, to your plate number 4. So I'm going to sit down like that, and then going to look and see what all we have here. Go. Case looks okay. I'm not seeing any metal shavings. Aside from my case is dirty, I'm not seeing metal shavings. I'm seeing a lot of clutch pack material. That seems good. That seems good. So we're going to look and inspect. I see. Right. A little bit of damage down there. Maybe that's not damage. Go ahead and take a pry bar and do some things. That pin pop in. That pin lock it in place. Pretty sure this is first gear, and that is the detent for. Let's see, where's the shifter? That is. Put it all the way up in the park position just in case. So now we're looking. So what's holding it on? What is holding this on? Bet it's that pin right there. So I'm gonna go get a small screwdriver. Not long, but small screwdriver. And try disassembling that. This is probably gonna be a short video on just partial disassembly, but I feel like that's supposed to go in or something. I don't want it to roll off there. There we go. Let's see. I don't want to hurt the gears. Try peeling off the clips, maybe. I don't know what to try doing. It's just another bushing. Alright, well, that's first gear, what I believe is first gear of the transmission. Might be overdrive, I'm not quite sure. But so far, this is the clutch pack you will have. It will be clutch, friction clutch, clutch, No. Steel, friction, steel. Steel, friction. Steel, friction. Friction. And a steel gear. Alright, well that's all for this video. Remember, be savage.